Alright guys, here I am in Size Matters, and I'm going to do a short Size Matters guide, and the reason is my goal for YouTube is to showcase, and when I say showcase I mean my own definition, to showcase every Ratchet and Clank game. And when I say showcase, my definition of that is, at least for this, is to do something, whether it be glitches, a guide, weapons guide, a walkthrough, just do something on every single Ratchet and Clank game. So, I have the PS2 version of Size Matters, and I'm gonna do two things on here. I'm gonna show you the beginning cutscene that I want to do for every game. Maybe not every game, but for at least this game. And then I'll show you the different weapons, and then I'll try them out on these little guys over here in the Technomite City. So first, I want to zoom in. Alright, so the beginning cutscene is down here. Special, schematics, introduction.
Much better. The sun is murder today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now, let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
What'd you do that for? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my project. I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're Ratchet, right?
Well, I see you have a knack for recognizing greatness.
I was wondering if it would be possible to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Oh, I can lift Clank over my head, though. How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some robots or something. I know where you can find them.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but, oh, what the heck. I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show for our little reporter here.
I am going to regret this.
Alright, after that, now I'm going to showcase some of these weapons. The Lancer Raider version 2 I have here, and yeah, so we're doing some of these different weapons. This one I felt was pretty good. I like the Lancer Raider, whatever. Where is it? It would be in here. Oh, no, yeah. What am I doing? Now, for this, there we go. As I can get over here, some guys to fight off. Alright, so kind of weak. Yeah, this isn't my original profile, so I don't know how far this profile is, but so there's that, and there's this sniper. Oop. That's only good for like long range stuff. Hyper shot, suck cannon. That didn't really work on him. And Scorcher. And a weapon upgrade. And there's Agents of Doom. It's like on other Ratchet and Clanks. So, they're weak. Acid bomb. Weapon upgrade. And concussion gun. Just like the whatchamacallit on Up Your Arsenal. And that's about it. This is one of my 2 least favorite Ratchet and Clank games. Yeah. This one and Secret Agent Clank, which I'm doing next, is my 2 least favorite. So that's why I'm not wanting to do too much on these 2, but I've gone through both games completely, but they were not my favorites at all. So alright, next will be Secret Agent Clank.